Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're gonna talk about pen customization. Today we're gonna talk about how to make custom pen from this into something like this. This is not only about appearance, this is also about the way of writing. This is also about your style, because we will not only customize the appearance of the pen, but as well as its performance. You will find this masterclass interesting if you're looking to customize your own gear, or you're about to sell ones, or maybe you just want to change your style of writing, or just stationery enthusiast like I am. In this masterclass, we will begin with materials. First, I will introduce you to everything needed to complete the task. Next one, we will prepare the surface of the pen, then painting, wiring it with the rope, adding some feathers, and finishing. Next, we will work with the nib as it is. And finally, we will see the result and performance. My name is George Muse, and we begin our journey.